now.
Yes, Mr. Beast. Let's go.
Mr.
We are outside of school, guys. We're gonna go inside of our school to check. What the frick is that?
No. I gotta turn up my volume. I gotta turn up my volume.
Did you not see that? Rama, did you not see that?
I didn't see nothing, but I heard it.
Rama, I looked behind me. Something was there.
Was there a teddy bear?
Today, guys, we're going into the manager room to change our grades because we're too trash at our gym.
Screaming.
You finally saw him. Oh, white eyes, dude.
The manager room.
Hey,
The
let's
monster
go.
is
We're
here.
gonna
The
take our
monster.
grades to A+.
It's locked.
Well, let's go back. Well, pick the doctor.
It just fell down. It just fell down for no reason. Oh, what's in here?
Oh, there's a note. This is not a school.
Yeah, I saw that. Look, there's a pencil.
Oh, that's okay. Yeah, it's a pencil. It's a pencil. I looked from the side and I just realized it was a key. Rama, we're finally gonna change our grade. Something is behind this. When I open it.
I'm gonna run. It's a pencil.
Key. Bro, it's not a pencil. Balls. Running!
Wrong way.
Oh, I found a note. He knows me, he knows my place, he knows who I am, he knows why I came. Bro, what do you mean? What do you mean I went the wrong way? Oh yeah, I did.
Told you. You gotta make this turn. There, I told you.
F B. Class B. Class B. Oh my god.
Oh, look, there's a gym wheel.
Wait.
Oh, look, gym room.
Let's go. Gym door. Gym.
Get away.
Oh. No, I'm in the dark.
We're not. We're in the same zone. We're in the same zone.
Safe? Nah, bro. Nah. What should we do? Explore.
We're in a safe zone right now. Wait, no, we're not in the safe zone.
Rama, come in the same zone. Safe zone. Rama, look at me. Be brave. Be a brave soldier.
Let's go.
It can Isn't it that screaming? Nah, bro.
Y'all see that? Y'all see that?
Rama, I did not saw anything.
I saw a girl in a dress.
Nah. It's that one girl that comes out of the TV. Rama, I did not see anything. You're going crazy.
No. If you watch the video, you'll see it. If you watch the video. I saw her here. Yeah. You don't believe me. You don't believe me. Check it out.
Rama, what move?
Someone's flying right there. I saw a screen. I saw
You're
a
going
picture.
Rama, you're going crazy.
I'm not crazy. She literally just teleported away. Huh? She's not there. I'm going crazy.
Bro said vanish. Bro and Endoma?
Bro, if you watch the video, once I post it, you're gonna know. You'll see. Did you see it?
Yes.
I told you. There's a white girl in the dress, right?
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb. Rama, we gotta find the door. You need a Max Win.
I literally saw them. Oh! Oh!
Oh. What?
Come here!
Oh.
Come here!
I just saw her.
Oh,
He got over there, so she's probably over there. I saw her go over like
no!
there.
My camera!
You listen na. Oh my
She
god.
just disappeared. She teleports. I told you.
But if she saw us, then we can sprint.
I'm gonna.
Well, we're not afraid anymore. Look at that, Granny. Labu, labu, labu. Looking at Granny, looking at Granny.
Ah, man, I died.
Oh man, I died. Are you permanently dead?
Yeah.
Wait, no, actually.
Yeah, actually. The
Wait,
respawn
then I
is
got.
for 19 Robux.
Does does she like? Does she have a jump scare?
Yeah,
Is it scary or goofy?
it's goofy. It's not scary.
Oh no, I died.
Did you die?
Bro took 3 seconds, so bro took 3 seconds to realize how he died.
Did you die?
Nope. I'm still waiting for her to kill me. This this girl. Bro, where the frick are you? I died.
Jump scare is so
Oh
scary,
no, I died.
scary, right? Jump scare is so scary.
Shiver me timbers, I died. Nah, bro. Well, that wasn't horror.
Yeah.
Rama. Do you agree on Rama?
How about we
Do
play
you
Cobra
agree
Kai
on
Karate?
Rama, do you agree on nightlight?
No.
Is it because too scary?
Yeah. How about Cobra Kai Karate?
How about
How about what?
weightless, right?
Nah, that's not even scary.
Oh, Mocker. You wanna play Mocker? It's a horror game. Join me. Join me.
Is this doppelganger game?
No. I someone. Chapter Chapter 1.
There are so many flies in my room.
Rama, oh my god, Rama, you look creepy as hell standing like that.
Oh look, I can sprint.
Cut it! 2.
There's a fly right here.
Are they? They're not moving.
I just killed a fly.
How about this one?
That's
Rama, Rama, get inside.
I'm in.